this is Anjali and I'm a digital marketer, and I've started my journey at GSDM. I've searched about so many digital marketing institutes in Jaipur. I've got confused also, like which place is much better for me, because I've always wanted myself to be at a good place so that I'll get placed finally for something. So I've searched on Google about so many digital marketing institutes. Then I've just went to GSDM, and there was COVID also in that time, so I had to take online course. But believe me, it was just amazing. Yeah, so in online classes there were so many problems also, like you don't know who is teaching you. There were problems of interactions. So yeah, but overall the experience was just amazing. I've studied SEO, SMO. There were 25 modules and every teacher was just amazing. SEO was just amazing, SMO was just amazing. Basically I am interested in SMO. That's why I've got placed also by JSDM only in Coral Nest Designs, and there I'm working as a social media marketer, and now everything is just perfect. I remember so many of the faculties also, like Ashish sir. He is the biggest mentor of JSDM, and he helped me in so many things, very friendly and very helpful. And at the same time, Rishabh sir, he is the mentor of SEO, and he helped a lot in everything. He took so much time to let us, teach everything like SEO and so many things about SEO. It's been around 1 month when we were studying about SEO, and likewise SMO, because I am a social media marketer, so I have always been interested in SMO, and Ajay sir is just amazing in SMO. He helped me in so many things. So yeah, the faculty is just amazing. Okay, and the staff was very helpful. You can call them whenever you want. I've called them at 9 or 10 or whenever you want, you will get the help. So don't be hesitated when you have joined JSDM. You have got a good friendly family here. Okay, and social media marketing is very much important. Everybody knows that. Elon Musk has bought it. Just because of it, so many big business houses are now shifting from their traditional ways of promoting their brands to social media marketing. So you have got a vast field in social media marketing only. It's not like it ठीक design hai, blah blah blah. It's not like that. So just go for digital marketing. You will learn n number of things, and here I've got social media marketing as my field because I like it very much. So I went for social media marketing. You guys can go for any other like SEO or website designing, web development or content writing, whatever you want. You have got a vast field. So don't be hesitated that this digital marketing field is not for you. It's for everybody. If you are interested, you can go for it. I'm so grateful that I am a JSDM person, and I recommend everybody of you to just go for JSDM. And I strongly recommend you to go for JSDM only in Jaipur if you want yourself to be at a good place after completing your course. So thank you.